Hello friends, welcome to Sarika's Art Fundas. Today we are going to draw a speedboat drawing.
Let us draw a speedboat. Two children here. Now we are drawing third child. He is having a speaker in his hand. See, our drawing is ready. Let us color it with domes colors. We are using dark green for shading. Sky color. While coloring the sky, we can color on the tree leaves. Afterward we will color it. This seashore also same color, ochre yellow. Red color in the below part of the boat. It looks very bright. Color of shirt, chrome yellow color. Stripes we are creating. Red color. Girl's frock in pink color. Fluorescent yellow. Ball looks cute, isn't it? Purple color in the mic speaker. Coconut tree trunk in dark brown. Fluorescent yellow and light green in coconuts. Golden color in her hair. Flesh tint color in skin. Red color in ice candy. Outline of background with big marker. Outline with black small sketch pen. Brown color sketch pen stippling for sand effect.
My speedboat drawing is completed now. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel, press bell icon and share my video in all your groups. Thank you very much for watching my video.